Introducing the 107-FD12, a new premium dash kit solution that fits the 2022 to 2024 Ford Maverick with a factory 8-inch screen. This dash kit is exclusively manufactured to install Pioneer's 6.8-inch modular receivers into the dash like the DMH-WC5700NEX and the DMH-C2500NEX. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features the original factory radio couldn't offer. But this dash kit is required to make it fit. Installers should refer to the radio manufacturer for the most up-to-date information. Stereo installation kit designed to fit 6.8-inch Pioneer modular receivers like the DMH-WC5700NEX and the DMH-C2500NEX. Textured trim panel matches the factory finish. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic for an original factory-light fit and finish. Includes mounting brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. A tech support number is available for installation help 7 days a week. 1-year limited warranty. If you would like to see the full installation video, click the link on the description below. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.